Everest is a container ship that is approximately twice the size of the Titanic. It has a length of 400 meters. Everest is specifically designed for transporting containers, and its carrying capacity is around 29,900 TEU, 20-foot equivalent units. To put it in perspective, it can transport nearly 24,000 containers at once. The deadweight tonnage of this container ship is 219,660 tons, which is indeed impressive. To power such a massive vessel, a robust engine is essential. That's why a two-stroke Vela engine with 11 cylinders is used in this ship, producing a whopping 79,050 kilowatts of energy. Due to this powerful engine, the ship consumes millions of liters of fuel per day.